let's go over these headlights to show you guys why they are the most popular headlights for our Gen 5 owners purchasing it with autoaddictusa. What the functionality, how do they work, how do they fit, and what do you need to do to make sure they function the way we're doing it on this amazing 2010 convertible SS. All right, guys, so we went from this to this. Of course, going from this to this is a lot more aggressive, more brighter LEDs, amber turn signal sequentials, and the high and low beam is also LED white with 55 watts, 121% brighter than the stock ones, guaranteed. What did our client do to get from this level to the next level of upgrading these headlights? Let's dive into all the details and show you guys what we got going on. Since this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro, our client purchased our ZL1 conversion bumper prior to upgrading these. He did want to save up a little bit of money before he got this because it was required to get a custom T-harness that we have over here that we ran. Everything is plug and play. Why did he get the T-harness? Well, if you're a 10 to 13 owner and you want to get these 14-15 Gen 6 style headlights, the T-harness will allow us to bypass the plug from a 14-15 to a 10 to 13, functioning everything with your OEM switches, no external wiring or hard or T-tapping or anything. This custom T-harness is handmade in-house by us to make sure everything is easy for you guys. With that being said, the bumper he already purchased, the headlights are going to sit nice and flush with our bumper. Let's go over what these offer for you guys and the functionalities of these headlights. My favorite part right here for you guys to show. So these amazing headlights come with a very bright white daytime LED panels right here. With that being said, if you wish to get these color changing by us, make sure you contact us personally via phone call or email. We'll put all our contact information below for you guys to get these color changing. They're custom made by us. If not, you want the regular functionalities that come with these lights, they come with an amazing amber turn signal sequential. You got the daytime running, of course, and the D2S that we offer on our website listing to get these, because these headlights do not come with light bulbs from the manufacturer. So therefore, we offer a very bright 55 watts, 6,000 lumens, bright white LED bulbs to make sure you get the best projection of these amazing projectors. Now, don't forget guys, if you guys want the DRLs or add some cool halo or etching on the headlights, we just got done with Reckless Raquel's headlight. We'll post that right on my corner right here to show you guys what we just did to it. So if you want the same exact setup, you got to contact us or give us a call on our information right below so we can help you guys out of how to make these custom lighting and what the requirements to be for you guys. All right, guys, as you can see, so much has been going on with our good client, Kenny's convertible SS bags, carbon fiber steering wheel, full custom with forged contrast, Braum seats, Braum brackets to fit the seats, and as well you got the Lamborghini Vertical Door Kit, our ZL1 conversion. We went over the headlights as well with you guys to do the conversion from 10 to 13 to a 14-15 Gen 6 style headlight. And lastly, we are highlighting a cool item that we can be launching for you guys very, very soon, which is the RGB Flow Series Underglow. It's going to be a universal product, but specifics for our Gen 5 and Gen 6 Camaros as well. We are super excited, so stay tuned. There's so much going on. At this moment, we're going to end this segment with going over the RGB highlights for you guys, but I am super excited. We have a beautiful Challenger right over here that's getting ready for you guys to see all the mods that we added. So much carbon fiber for our great client, Jonathan. Stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you guys very soon.